So I'm going to prepare Mexican salsa, and this salsa is going to be perfect for you tacos, Taco Tuesday, for you chips, and you have your friends watching the Super Bowl or the World Series. You're going to be kicking butt. So remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create salsa picante. And I'm going to go 100% natural. So what I have 4 tomatoes. You might need maybe another. You might need less. You have to play by ear. You're going to need some cilantro, a handful. 2 or 3 teeth of garlic and onion. Just cut them in fourth. Habanero pepper. And you're going to cut them. If you want it hot, you leave the seeds. If you want it hot but not super hot, then you take the seeds out. Make sure you do that. You're going to need some vinegar, salt, paprika, pepper. Very simple, huh? And we're also going to have a couple limes, which are sliced in half because this is going to be the juice, natural juice. So I cut the tomatoes to make it easier. Slice the limes. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a couple tomatoes, and I'm going to put a little bit of vinegar. Just a little bit. It's about maybe a quarter cup. And I'm going to make like a tomato juice out of this. Now I'm going to approach things a little bit different. I'm going to start adding some of the onion, and I'm going to go into the food shop or salsa mode. I'm going to add more tomatoes. Jalapeno. Garlic. Cilantro. And let me do a little bit of the chop. You're going to add some of the pepper. A little bit of salt. More tomatoes. And you're going to add some paprika. Give it a color, you know what I mean? The dark color. That's about a quarter of a teaspoon. Squeeze some of the lemon. One might be sufficient because I use vinegar, not a little bit of onion. And go back to the pulsing mode. And you don't want to pulse it for a long time, just a little bit, you know? About 4 or 5 pulses, you know? Top view, see how beautiful it looks? So simple, huh?